Here's a 2017 Toyota Highlander. Whether you are getting away or just getting around town, the Highlander makes the journey a little more fun. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Of the Highlander, Motor Trend remarks, cabin emphasizes functionality and is geared towards families with its adjustable seating arrangements, 60/40 split second row seats, and a large center console bin. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At Westchester Toyota Scion, located near Westchester, New York, and our Westchester Toyota Scion website. Call, click, or stop in today.